So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate the following function with the properties basically used here. So for this thing you have to learn all the properties, and you should be learning all the properties down there. And for this thing you have to just take 1 minus x, you have to let it 1 minus x to be as t, then your minus dx becomes dt. Now dx equals to minus dt, and you can write 1 minus x equals to t as x equals to 1 minus t. If you just know, crisscross both the sides. Okay, so you are getting all the things right down there, but you have to keep in mind that whenever you are doing you're changing the value of x with respect to t, then you must know that when x is 0, then t will be 1, and when x is 1, then t will be 0. Okay, so by keeping this in mind, we're gonna integrate the following function very easily. So now you have to just see that what I'm doing here. So let it be I, then I equals to the integrating value of 1 to 0. X will become 1 minus t, and 1 minus x will become t to the power n into dt. And as we have here minus, so we are getting minus out of this integration sign. And then we have the following property here, that a to b fx dx is equals to minus integration to b to a fx dx. So keeping this property in mind, we're going to change the integrating limiting value to the 0 to 1 minus t into t to the power n dot dt. Now very simply I'm gonna use I'm gonna just multiply this, then it will come like this: 0 to 1 t to the power n minus t to the power n plus 1 dot dt. So after doing this, we have a value like this. We are just integrating the parts like this, like t to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus t to the power n plus 1 plus 1, that is n plus 2, by n plus 2, and the limiting value is from 0 to 1. So the value becomes like this. We are just giving 1 to t, so it becomes 1 to the power n plus 1 and 1 to the power n plus 2, and we know that something to the power 1 becomes only 1, so it becomes like this: 1 by n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 2, and just one line close to our answer. And so the answer will become just like this, just crisscrossing both the sides like this and this, normal LCM, we will get the answer as 1 by n plus 1 into n plus 2. Thank you for seeing the math. Hope you like the channel. Then please subscribe us. Thank you.